Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support. Last couple videos, I really appreciate the subs. Getting really close here to 2,000. We all know what that means. I'm going to be doing something on the channel here soon. Not really going to announce it. I just want to kind of just do it as part of my videos. Because I like the idea that Sean put out there. Is if you put giveaway on your thumbnail or whatever, you're gonna get people that don't normally watch your channel try and get in on it. And I basically what I want is people that watch my channel, support my channel on the regular, to have an opportunity to get into that. So anyways, today's Model Cars and Coffee Sunday morning. As Dan the Man says, nectar of the gods. Love it. So today, first off, thanks to Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds for hosting this. I'm going to show one of my early builds, probably the second build that I built when I got back into the hobby about 2002. Well, I got back into it around 2001, and then I think I built this one around 2002 or something like that. So now that we got that out of the way, I do have, oh shoot, I forgot, I do have a shop card, but I'll do that in the next video. I forgot it downstairs. Oh, and I do have a card, one that I do have up here. When this came in the mail the other week, so thank you, Mark. Sticker, thank you, Mark, very much. Really appreciate it. Appreciate the sticker, kind words. Hope you have a great year as well. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. Go check out Mark. Go check out Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Mark over at the Mediocre Modeler. I'll have those links in the description. And I'll get you turned around and we'll have a look at this model. Okay, so today's model is the Monogram 1969 Superbee. So like I said, I painted this one years and years ago, probably 2002, so about 22, 23 years ago. Probably my second paint job as an adult using spray bombs. This is I think it's a Model Masters. I did a gold undercoat, and then it was transparent color over top, the yellow. And that's how it turned out. So it's got the Chevelle, is it the Chevelle? Or no, the Nova rims or wheels, and then parts box, wheels and tires. It's quite a bit of orange peel on this one. I kind of went a little custom with the interior. I used the, I think those are from the Chevelle Pro Street. The seats. So I'm just going to adjust the camera a little bit. I just wanted to show the stance. Okay, so being this was just kind of my first, one of my first models back into it, I went a little different with the hood. Obviously you can see I didn't paint it. If I'd build this again, I'd do it in black. The hood, if I can get that off. So that's just molded color. Did a bit of wiring under the hood. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, this is probably wheels falling off. Those don't stay on very good. So underneath I did aluminum tubing, exhaust, did some ladder bars there, fuel lines, tried to make some headers, but they didn't turn out that great, but it doesn't have a collector on it. That turned out okay, I guess. So as for the interior, I built a little 6-point roll cage in there. Did some kind of custom colors with the gold. Not much detail for gauges. Wasn't very good at that back then. I did flock the interior. You can see there's a CD, tack, so a pretty basic build in terms of paint and all that stuff. I really like the color. It's a really cool color. It's Alumina yellow, I think they call it. I think it was a color by Boyd, maybe. Model Master color. But yeah, overall, this was probably the only second time I used BMF. So that turned out pretty decent. Was pretty stoked when I first found BMF. Or not found, but realized that's what people were using. I went to a show and ended up picking some of that up. So yeah, pretty happy with how this turned out. Still surviving, and yeah, so hope everyone's doing well. I'm getting better, still a little bit sick, but definitely on the mend. Haven't done anything on my USAC build. Just haven't been feeling good this last week, so didn't do anything. Didn't get to the bench at all. So with that, thanks for checking out the video, and I hope everyone's doing well. Prayers for those who need them, and talk to you all soon. Pat out, Model on.